what's up, people? What's up, people? Am I audible, visible? I believe I'm perfectly audible and visible. I believe I'm perfectly audible and visible. Okay, so welcome to the class, everybody. I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to the first class of Phoenix 3.0 batch. So welcome to the session, guys. Welcome to the session. So welcome to the first class of Phoenix 3.0 batch as well. And today, what are we going to discuss? We are going to talk about the cell cycle and cell division. So this is something that we have to discuss today, and I hope you all are prepared for it. Yes, guys. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is what? It is the cell cycle and cell division. I hope you are excited. So welcome to the session. Quickly, welcome to the session. So first of all, hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. And if you are new to our channel, then quickly subscribe to our channel, because this is the first class of Phoenix 3.0 batch. So those who have joined the batch, most welcome. You know that your classes will be at the 7 p.m. Right? The classes will be at the 7 p.m. on Unacademy platform. Yes, people. On Unacademy platform, you guys will have classes at 7 p.m. right? And the classes will be on the smart board for biology, right? I'll be taking your classes on the smart board. And just now I have given the demo to the students, those who are already enrolled in Phoenix 3.0 batch. So if you guys are enrolled, very good. If you people are not enrolled, you know that what you have to do, right? This is the YouTube video. Okay, so here in the description box of this particular video, there is a link. You guys can click on that, right? You people can click on that. So see, this is the link here for my batch. So you can click on it and you can be the part of my batch, beta, where the things are going very smoothly, very fine. Yesterday, my students have given the first test, and yeah, I am going to take the test analysis as well. So test analysis, proper question practice, right? DPPs, everything is provided to them, right? And when it comes to the DPP, I have provided them a complete book, right? That from this particular book, you can solve as much questions as you can. And there is a discussion as well, right? There is a discussion as well. So whosoever is typing this, do not mix this and that batch. We can't have basics. Who told you you will not get to know about the basics? We will take care of it. Guys, see, you just believe in us, you just have faith in us, and trust me, right, you are not going to regret. Okay, when I'm saying something, I'm going to keep that words, है ना? Phoenix 2.0 batches, है ना? And when I'm going to say something, I'm going to keep my words. You can ask them. You can ask them. So, beta, Phoenix 3.0 batch, like this is the batch which we have started today, right? And basically, this is the batch that we have started today. So if you understand, if you don't understand Hindi, of course this batch is for you. And it is, even if you understand Hindi, again this batch is for you, because this is one of the best batches that you guys can have. The complete team Avengers is going to teach you here, number one. Number two is, if you are asking me, plus subscription. In plus subscription, if you go for the plus subscription, you will not just have the access of this particular batch, you will have the access of all the batch that are running on an Unacademy platform in NEET UG category. If you go for the iconic, again, you will have access of all the batches. Plus here, you will get the hard copy. You will get the hard copy of modules, right? Just say, this is the module. You guys will get these modules. You guys will get the question practice here. If you will see these modules, this is the older one that I have. New one is updated, of course. So here you guys can see the MCQ practice and everything is provided to you. Okay, so you will get this, and you people will also get the recordings of the offline classes as well. So this is what you people are going to get. Now, come to the topic, because here, see, and yeah, whatever basics I'm going to teach you today here, tomorrow I will not discuss. Tomorrow class will be on the platform only. It will be on the platform only. It's today's class that is free. And yeah, today I will not take it for a 1.5 hour or 2 hours, because even I am not keeping well. I'll be very honest about it. Usually your class timing is 1.5 hour and it will increase to 2.5 hours soon. Right, soon it will increase to, or I'll keep separate classes. So this is something that I'll tell you soon. And today also I will not stretch the class too much, right? I'll teach you for a few minutes only, because I'm not keeping well. So this is just the overview today I'm going to give you. Now the topic is cell cycle and cell division. What is the name of the topic? Cell cycle and cell division. Of course, here we need to discuss the things regarding cell division. We will talk about the cell cycle. Of course, this is something that we have to do. Now, before starting it, I'll start from something known as zygote, right? I am going to start something known as zygote. Zygote, what is a zygote? Zygote is a diploid cell. What is a zygote? Zygote is a diploid cell. When I'm saying beta diploid cell, what does it means? Matlab, it is having two sets of chromosomes, isn't it? It is having two sets of chromosomes. One is from mother, one is from father. That is what we have. Two sets of chromosomes are there. One is from mother and one is from father. One is from mother and one is from father. That is the meaning of having two sets of chromosomes. Now, we all, our life, it arises from this single cell zygote. Our life, it starts from this single cell zygote. So from the single cell, a multicellular body, right? I'm talking about the humans right now. Of course, a multicellular body will form. From this single cell, a multicellular body will form. So how is it possible? How is it possible that a single cell will give rise to a multicellular body? Of course, the answer here is in the cell division. The answer here is in the cell division. Are you getting my point? The answer is, where is the answer? The answer is there in the cell division, that it is the cell division which is something very important. It is the cell division which is something very, very important for the growth, right? For the growth and for this mankind as well. You can see how, right? Right? Isn't it? Isn't it? So all multicellular organism, right? All multicellular organism. And don't worry, in class MCQ practice, in class notes making is there. Right now I'm just giving you the overview. So I am saying that zygote is a single cell. So we all multicellular organisms, beta, all multicellular organisms, they start their life from the single cell known as zygote. All multicellular organisms start their life from the single cell zygote. And how is it possible? From the single cell zygote. And how is it possible? How is it possible? Right, of course, it is possible only because of the division. It is possible only because of the division, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes or no? So zygote grow by addition of, right? You start from the basics, guys. We are going to start from the basic. So zygote, which is a diploid cell, which is the result of fertilization, it grows by addition of new cells into it. By addition of new cells into it. Yes or no? By addition of new cells into it. That is how they are going to grow. So they grow by addition of new cells into it. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Like we talk about the zygote will undergo cleavage. One cell will form two, then two will form four, and so on. We discuss it. So ultimately, division is something which is very important. Ultimately, division is something that we need here. Right? Ultimately, division is something that we need here. Now I will relate it with one more theory, with one more finding, and I believe you guys are going to enjoy the sequence. Why? Because here I'm just giving you the overview. So if you are scared that, ma'am, from where are we starting? Why are you? This is all the basic. This is all the basic. That we all arise from zygote. Right, after fertilization, you know that it is the zygote that will be implanted in the uterus. And from that zygote, we will develop. So how is it possible? How is it possible? It is only possible because of the division. That single cell zygote, it has to divide. It has to become multicellular. It has to give rise to a new individual, guys. Right, so division is something which is very, very, very important. Right, beta? Right, beta? So division is something which is very, very, very important. So remember one thing, that all new cells, arise from pre-existing cells. All new cells arise from pre-existing cells. And who gave this? It means hominis, cellula, E-cellular. All the new cells arise from pre-existing cell. So that is why I'm going to use the points from other chapter also, which are related to your current topic, so that you will have better command over your syllabus. Okay, so that you guys will have better command over your syllabus. So as I said, that all new cells, yes, all new cells, they arise from pre-existing cell, hominis, cellula, E-cellule. It means hominis, cellula, E-cellule. What is the meaning here, guys? Hominis, cellula, E-cellule. Who gave this? Rudolf Virchow. Who gave this? Rudolf Virchow, 1855. He was the one who said so. So all cells, they arise from pre-existing cells, right? All cells arise from pre-existing cell. So continuity of, so thus continuity of life depends upon the cell reproduction. Thus, this continuity of life depends upon cell reproduction or cell division. Right, this continuity of life depends upon cell reproduction or cell division. So students, when you talk about a single cell, when you talk about the division of a single cell, actually it is the reproduction, right? It is a reproduction at cellular level is basically the cell division. Matlab, don't get confused by this particular line, that what is the meaning of this thing, that continue, right? Yes, beta. Thus, continuity of life depends upon cell reproduction or cell division. So don't get confused by it. Are you getting my point? Don't get confused by it. Ki continuity of life depends on cell reproduction or cell division. So reproduction at cellular level is known as cell division. Like for an example, this is a single cell. Let's suppose it's a diploid cell. This is a single cell. What's that? It is a single cell. This single cell, beta, when it will grow, of course, eventually it is going to divide as well. It is going to divide as well. Right, beta? So reproduction at cellular level, right? This is the meaning here. Reproduction at cellular level. Reproduction at what? Reproduction at cellular level is called cell division of that cell. Are you getting my point? Reproduction at cellular level is called cell division here. Is that clear? Is that clear, beta? Is that clear? Yes. Right? Is that clear? So this is something that you need to understand. Right? This is something that you need to understand. So if there is any doubt here in this part, please feel free to ask. Please feel free to ask. Quick, guys. Guys, I was supposed to cancel your class today. I'm not keeping well. You guys can see even my eyes are quite reddish. I have some issue today. So I'll take it for 30 minutes only. I will not be able to take it for a longer period of time. But yeah, from tomorrow, class will be there sharp at 7 p.m. and we will start it, okay? We will start it. So up to this part, if there is any doubt, because I'm just dealing with the basics right now. So I'll tell you the basics of division. Then I will start the nucleus part, right? I'll tell you what is there in the nucleus, what is chromatin, what is this, what is that. Then I will switch to that actual topic, that this is the sequence of events that is taking place. Okay? So I know those who have joined today, that your basics are not that good, right? Your basics are not that good. I know you people are, you want everything from the scratch, from the basics. So that is why we are like that. So I know you didn't discuss the cell chapter. So we will start from the nucleus part so that you will be able to understand everything. Now here the point is, okay, fine. Okay, ma'am. Reproduction at cellular level is called cell division. I got it. Your point. Right? I got your point. Right, beta? I got your point. Ki, theek hai, ma'am. Whatever you are saying, it is true. Ki reproduction at cellular level is called cell division. Now it means, again, it is there in NCERT. It means in unicellular organism. It means that in unicellular organism, that when we talk about the unicellular organisms, the growth and reproduction is same. In unicellular organism, what is same? Growth and reproduction are same. Right? Growth and reproduction are same. Why it is same? Because your unicellular organism, when it will grow, it will eventually divide into two. It will eventually divide into two. So when it will divide into two, beta, when it will divide into two, so of course, what's going to happen? Of course, what's going to happen? Right? Of course, what's going to happen? That single cell is dividing into two means their growth and reproduction is all together. So this part we also cover in living word, where we say that such events which are occurring simultaneously, right? Such events which are occurring simultaneously are mutually inclusive events. Right? So this is the part that we will discuss there. So don't worry about that. Yes, beta? Right? So this is something you have to. Now, my question is, why there is a division? What is the requirement for a division? Now this is my question. Okay, fine, cell is going to divide, right? Okay, I got it. There is something known as division. But my point is why? Why there is a division? Why there is a division? What is the reason for division? Beta, guys, see, first of all, जैसे one student is saying कि you said classes will be on the smart board. Classes are on the smart board only. I have started that. Students started facing the lags. So our team has fixed it. So by that time, classes were there on the pen tab mode. So it's not like that, na, that if the classes were not there on the smart board, we will not take the classes. We have to. And we will. If there will be no electricity, I will not cancel your class. I will take it on the I'll take it on the laptop, pen tab mode pe. Right, because we cannot compromise with your classes, right? Now, because this setup needs a lot of electricity. It needs electricity, proper electricity. Laptop pe, to if laptop is charged and if my phone Wi-Fi is working, I can take your class. So we'll do it. So guys, do not just see. These days there is a problem that students, they have started telling teachers what they need to teach. And that is the thing where the problem, that is basically the problem. So you have faith in your teachers, just keep revising, keep studying, that's it. That's it. So you answer my question that why do a cell divide? Matlab, that is okay, that point is you're right. That this point is right, that ma'am, if repair is required, if there is injury, to recover that, new cell growth is required. For the further growth, new cell growth is required. For even if let's suppose we have to show the growth, right? Obviously, single cell will become multicellular. That's how the growth is. Okay, fine. But still, what all of a sudden happened, that cell realized, I have to divide. So when you talk about the cause of that division, cause of that mitosis, I would say, right? What is that cause? There are two things which you have to take care, guys. There are two things which you have to take care. Number one is nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Right, this is the actual reason. One thing is nucleocytoplasmic ratio, nuclear cytoplasmic ratio, which is also known as Kern plasmic ratio. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio, which is also known as Kern plasmic ratio. Right, this is something that we have to understand first. Okay, this is something that we have to understand first. See, when a cell is small in size, its nucleus is also going to be, matlab, dekho, this is a small cell. This is a small cell. We always say that small cells are active. Small cells are active cells means your small cells, what exactly are they? What exactly are they? Your small cells, right? They are active cells. They are actually the immature cells. They are actually what? They are actually the immature cells. In such kind of cells, you will see, right? They have that large nucleus, but the cytoplasm is very less. Right. So actually when a cell, we are saying when a cell is small in size, it's quite active, because here you will see its surface area will be more and its volume will be comparatively less. Right. Surface area will be more, volume will be less. Now when the cell increase in its size, but a nucleus size will remain same and the cytoplasmic growth is there. Nucleus size will remain same. What's going to happen here, beta? Nucleus size will remain same. The size of the nucleus will remain same, but the cytoplasmic growth is there. And now what's going to happen? Because of that, this nucleus, which is having small size and the cytoplasmic growth is there, so this nucleus is not capable enough to take care, right? This nucleus is not capable enough to take care of the function of this complete cell. Are you getting my point? So basically what is going to happen here, right? What is going to happen here? The nucleus here, right? When a cell is small in size, when it is having the less cytoplasm, this nucleus can take care of the functions of the cell very efficiently, right? Very efficiently, this nucleus can take care of the function of the cell. But when there is an increase, right, this nucleus failed to control. Right, this nucleus, what is going to happen to this nucleus? This nucleus failed to control, beta. This nucleus failed to control the activity of the cytoplasm. This nucleus failed to control the activity of the cytoplasm, and that is the reason. That is where the nucleocytoplasmic ratio will be disturbed. So I am going to write it here properly, right? You guys can make the notes as well. So what am I saying? I'm talking about the reasons for the cell division, and the very first thing that I'm saying is nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Hanji, so what is it? Nuclear cytoplasmic ratio. Yeah, nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Right, nucleocytoplasmic ratio or nuclear cytoplasmic ratio, which is also known as Kern plasmic theory, yeah, Kern plasmic ratio, which is also known as Kern plasmic theory or Kern plasmic ratio. So what is happening here? right? What is happening here? So nucleus cytoplasmic ratio or kern plasmic ratio में या theory में what is happening? What is happening? So when a nucleus, when a cell is small in size, when a cell is small in size, its nucleus can efficiently control the activity of the cell cytoplasm. Yes or no? Of the cell cytoplasm. Are you making the notes, guys? Are you making the notes? So basically in small cells, karyoplasmic index या karyoplasmic ratio is high, right? So basically in small cells, karyoplasmic, karyon is nucleus basically, cytoplasm से plasmic is the word, karyoplasmic index or karyoplasmic ratio is high in small cell. In what? In small cell, right? In what? In small cell. Now what's going to happen? Now when a cell, increase in its size, when a cell increase in its size, what's going to happen then? When a cell is so when a cell increase its size, okay, increase in its size, the nucleus, the cytoplasmic growth is there. You can write it like this. The cytoplasmic growth is there and nucleus fails to control the cytoplasm activity efficiently. So it will not be able to control the activity of cytoplasm efficiently. Are you getting my point? Efficiently. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So it will not be able to do it efficiently. Are you getting my point? It will not be able to do it efficiently. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So that is why a cell divides into two. So that is why a cell divides into two so that nucleus can take over the function again. Is that clear? So that nucleus can take over the function again. So that's something you have to keep in your mind, number one. Number two is surface to volume ratio. Number two is surface to volume ratio. So of course, when the cell size increases, the surface area will decrease and the volume will be high, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. So when a cell increases in its size, volume increases, then surface. Volume increases, then surface. Then obviously, beta, this volume is large here. Comparatively, surface area is less. So that will not be able to, that is not sufficient enough to withdraw the material from the surrounding. Okay, so that is also a reason for the division. Are you getting my point? That is also a reason for the division. Are you getting my point? So when a cell increases in its size, volume increases, then surface, right? Volume increases, then surface. So that is also the reason that a cell needs the division, beta. That is also the reason a cell needs the division, right? Why? Because here the surface area is insufficient to draw the material which is required for the activity of the cell. So when a cell increases in its size, volume increases, then surface, and this surface area is insufficient to withdraw the material. So that is also a reason. So this is also a reason for cell division. So are you getting my point? So that you are right, that for the healing, for the growth, for this and that, cell division is required. That is absolutely fine, right? There is no doubt in that. That is absolutely fine. But actually, this is the reason. When there is a disturbance in nuclear to cytoplasmic ratio, when there is a disturbance in surface to volume ratio, then it is a sign that cell needs to divide. Okay, then it is a sign that cell needs to divide. So this is something that you have to keep in your mind, guys. Are you getting my point? Now, after this, obviously, we'll talk about mitosis. Just Fleming has given the term mitosis. We'll talk about everything. So whenever you will talk about this cell cycle, now, this is something that we will start in our batch class. So this is what we have to discuss. Right, I'll give you the flow chart here. So this is something that we have to discuss. So interphase, M phase. So interphase which will include G1 phase, which will include S phase, which will include G2 phase, right? And here you will have karyokinesis, that is nuclear division. Here you will have cytokinesis, that is cytoplasmic division. And here in karyokinesis, we have to discuss PMAT. We have to discuss PMAT. So ultimately, this is something that we have to complete. Okay, ultimately, this is something that we have to complete. So we will discuss about the interphase. We will discuss about the M phase, right? In the M phase also, as I said, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Here, beta, we will have G1 phase. We will have S phase. We will have G2 phase. Here, we will have PMAT. And there, we will have the cytokinesis. So that is something we have to discuss. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Are you getting my point? So, beta James, I'll suggest you to rewrite the notes, right? It's not like, obviously I will discuss many extra things as well, which is required. Mainly the point is practice. Content wise, so here, this is a conceptual chapter. Everything is same. But the point is, if you will keep writing, then it is going to give you an extra benefit. Okay? So there is no harm in that. There is no harm in that. So today we will discuss up to this part only. So guys, those who have joined the batch, very good. If not, then please, because till 30th June, this offer will last, right? This offer is up to 30th June only. So basically 44499 is for your plus, 12999 is for your iconic, in which you will get the modules, in which all the PYQs, all the MCQs are given. They'll be delivered to your doorsteps, beta. And here, as I said, you will get the test series. You will get the access of all the offline test series of your nearby center as well. In the plus also, there will be a test. In the batch itself, we have the test after every 15 days. After every 15 days, we are having the test, beta. So you will have the access of this test series, right? There will be a proper test analysis sessions as well, where I will cater your doubts of the biology, biology part as well. So everything is there. It's not like that here in the plus you will not get the test. In the plus also you will get the test, but you will not get the hard copy of the material. You will not get that content wala part. Teachers content will be provided to you. Teachers PDF will be provided to you. Teachers DPP will be provided to you. But these modules, this is something that you guys are going to lack, right? But you will get it in iconic subscription, and along with that the offline recordings as well. So this offer is going to end tonight. You can start it if you are enrolled, very good. If not, you can enroll in it. So here in the description box of this video, we have the link. You can click on it and you can be the part of our batch. Getting my point, right? Getting my point, beta. It is the English batch only. Muskan bache, it is the English batch only. So this is all about the class today. As I'm not keeping well, so I'll keep it short and simple. So tomorrow I will see you all at 7 p.m. and the students of Phoenix 2.0 batch, if you guys are having query cell, obviously we'll complete cell chapter, then we'll go for it. Why you people are getting worried? Right? Why you people are getting worried? Of course, we have to finish the cell first and then, and yeah, you guys were demanding 2 classes. There will be classes now. There will be classes like that now. So if there is any doubt, you let me know, please. Wasim sir will start the class from 3rd of July as his chapter is not completed yet. Right? That is why. Yes. Any other doubt? If you guys are having any other doubt? Done? So Muskan, you can enroll in our batch and then you will have the access of, like, if you go for plus, you can access any of the batch. Yes, Sahasra, what's your doubt? Beta, this is what I'm saying. It is just 4499. Beta, nucleus, yeah, during that time, what is going to happen as such? Basically, obviously, it will swell up, and basically, ultimately, what's going to happen? There will be the condensation of the chromatin, right? It has to acquire that proper chromosome wala shape. Okay? Very good. So Tamil, so we have the aspirant from Tamil Nadu as well. Great. So take care, guys. See you all soon. If there is any doubt related to the timings, related to anything, just do let me know. Chaliye, bye bye. Take care, guys. Thank you so much.